Kia ora, Skinny Fishbone here again. The world can get loud. Everybody talking, everybody rushing, everybody needing something. And after a while, all that noise outside starts becoming noise inside. The mind gets busy and the heart gets quiet, and maybe healing begins when we learn to listen again. The world gets loud, everybody talking, everybody rushing, everybody needing, and after a while, the mind gets noisy, oh so noisy, you forget to listen to your own heart. Maybe every answer doesn't come from thinking. Maybe some things can only be felt quietly, and that's the healing. You know, and maybe that's the problem. We've become so busy listening to everything else that we've forgotten how to listen to ourselves. And sometimes the people who understand that best aren't always the loudest in the room. Some people speak loud, you know what I'm saying, trying to be heard. Some sit quiet and listen carefully. Say only a few words, and somehow those words stay with you longer. Wisdom ain't always the loudest voice. Maybe real listening teaches people to speak gently, and that's the healing. That's the healing. Yes, and maybe real listening teaches people to speak gently. And once you begin listening differently, something else starts to happen too. The world slows down, the noise softens, and you begin hearing things that were always there, waiting. Maybe if you sit still long enough, you'll be able to hear what the earth's been trying to tell you all along. The trees, the wind, and the quiet spaces in between. Slowly your own spirit settles too. The answers never disappear. Maybe life got too noisy to hear them properly. And maybe it's time to start listening again. Listening to your heart. Listen to your spirit. Listen to your stillness. That's the healing. healing. That's the healing. Maybe healing was never hiding. Maybe it was waiting, beneath the noise, beneath the rushing, beneath the endless need to keep moving. Maybe the answers never disappeared at all. Maybe they were sitting quietly, waiting for us to become quiet enough to hear them. That's the healing.